this is Kushal. And do you ever wondered that how to learn by yourselves? Yes. Today I am here with the Feynman technique. You know who was Feynman? The Feynman was a physicist and who got a Nobel Prize. It means Feynman was a Nobel Prize winner. After so many experiments and observations, he gave a technique for the students and for all those who want to just learn faster. And he gave a technique, and that technique he named it Feynman technique. What was the technique and what was the technique about? Technique is about all about how to learn by yourselves and how to learn by yourselves and learn faster. And in this technique, Feynman gave 4 steps to learn anything faster and to just master on that information or knowledge. In 4 steps, in first step, he just suggests their students that firstly learn by yourselves. It means in first step we have to just keep the command and just learn that topic, particular topic that we are going to just apply the knowledge. After learning, just fills just fill the gaps. It means your flaws must be fulfilled with your just improvements. After improvement, after improve that topic, you have to teach that same topic to someone else. Not someone just else, but it's just observation that you are teaching like a 10-year-old kid. But after that teaching, just ask yourself about your mistakes and just feel that I am teaching to someone else and someone else is just asking question from me. And after giving those answers and filling all the gaps in real life, in the final step, just teach this topic or that topic to someone else in a real life. After teaching that or those topics to someone else, you will master that topic. And this technique helps a lot to students, to youth, to so many people who wants to grow and just boost yourself. And this technique also helps a lot of students who wants to crack higher examinations, likewise PMS, CSS, and so on. So I hope this technique will be beneficial and helpful for you, and I hope this technique will guide you to learn faster and better for more understanding. Stay engaged, stay informed, and stay connected. I will give you more updates. Thank you.